Hello traders and investors, welcome to the stock specific technical and fundamental analysis episode. In this episode we are going to analyze a stock which is very famous in the industry, which is none other than Welspun Living Limited. Let's get into the video. So Welspun Limited is a global leader in home textile manufacturing, offering a variety range in their products which including terry towels, bedding and rugs. So the Christie is a very global famous product in their product portfolio. Christie is one of the premium product next to Spaces, Welspun Flooring, Mantra, Wells Home and Spun are some of their well-known product portfolio with them, and it is a globally well-known product as well. So let's see the basic fundamental of this stock. The current market price of the stock is 138.05. Market cap is, it's a small cap, 13,000 crore stock market cap. The sector they are falling is under textiles. The PE ratio is at 20.22, where the sector PE is at 16.44. 52-week high of this stock is 212.95 and all-time high remains same. 52-week low is 122. So the stock have given minus 15% return in last 1 year, and it have given minus 3% return in last 3 years. And when you see for a long term 5 years, it have given massive 219.88% returns. Let's see what are the pros and cons of this stock, how the stock is performing currently with the recent Q3 results, and how is their future is predicted with their capex and their portfolio. So this is the Q3 outlook. We can see here we have provided you a financial performance for the quarter and comparing with year on year, and financial details as well for the upcoming till 2017 financial year. So it's a disappointed actually the Q3 results, where they have their poor revenue growth in Q3 financial year 2025. Because of that, the stock also fallen almost like 7 to 8% the day after the result from January 30th. So despite of their poor results, the company shown a very good positive trend in the home textile exports, and they are continuously branding their positioning in the global market. Also, their consolidated revenue stands at 2,489 crores for Q3 financial year 2025, which is 3% higher comparing to the previous year, the same quarter. The EBITDA for the quarter was 280 crores with a margin of 11.3%, which is down from 14.1% comparing with the same quarter in the year on year. The decline is due main reason because of the freight cost, where during their exports the freight cost has been increased, which is almost 40% higher comparing to the previous year what they have been exporting. That is the major drawback for their profit reduction, which is to be keenly noted. Additionally, they also make one-time promotional program with a higher input cost, which to brand their products, they have made one promotional program. That's the reason for their reduction of their Q3 marginal profit. So with all this, we'll see how their performance is going to be with the positive and negatives. So positive. So with even the reduction in their profit margin, they are showing a good expansion with their capex and the long-term success. Their performance is steady in terms of especially in the home textile segment. Continuously they are adding their capacity. They also recently added a new project in the Anjar, and with the stock is currently in attraction valuation. The recent decline in cotton prices is positive for them, which is earlier with 56,000 per candy, and it's now been 52,000 to 53,000. The cotton is the major source raw material for them, which increase their gross margin in the upcoming quarters. So as we mentioned, Christie, they're one of the premium products which have shown a good returns in the recent sale during the Black Friday in US, and also they are showing a good productivity in terms of sales in the Middle East, African and US continents. Welspun, we can say they are showing continued in their investment. As we mentioned, they have invested almost like a 103 crore preliminary towards their new towel project in Anjar, which we mentioned a little bit earlier. And also their capex is remaining the same with their 860 crores guidance, where they have consumed so far 595 crores. And Welspun remaining optimistic with their long-term growth potential, despite their having a challenges in Q3. With a strong focus on the brand development, they are well positioned with the revenue goals for financial year 2025. The company is on track of the growth of 10 to 12% of financial year 2025 with revised EBITDA, which is very key. Earlier, they have given EBITDA of 13.2%, where they have revised their guidance to 14% for the financial year 2025. Considering the company's long-term growth trajectory with the good portfolio of their business, the stock appears to be fairly valued at its current level. That is the key for this, with the positive what they are having. We'll be seeing what are the cons for this stock. So as we mentioned, the revenue growth is being declined and the margin compression because of the various reasons which we have discussed in the Q3 result outcome. And as we mentioned, declining operational profit margin and net profits year on year as well. Domestic retail business is a challenge as well for them. The urban consumption and inflation rates are the key challenge in within the country. RSI indicating price weakness with technical analysis, and also weak momentum. From here the price may still fall with all the technical indications what we are seeing into it. With all this, we'll see the technical chart how it is looking. So the immediate resistance is been at 154, where the current price is at 138. The major breakout of resistance will be seen at 191 only, and immediate first support will be seen at 124, which is almost close to 52 weeks low. And the second major support is only available at 89. As per the new SEBI regulations, we cannot disclose the targets for the any stocks. So, however, this is as per our technical indication what we are following. The short term it can go up to 171, and for the mid to long term, which have a potential of 50% upside with 210, which is almost near to the all-time high. With all their business perspective what they are having, and analyst also saying it's a buy rating for this stock and with minimum 20% upside potential. So this stock is currently in a bearish momentum. As we mentioned, with all the factors, the stock is in bearish mode with all the budget also. Even there is positive for the agriculture and also for the textile related industries. The stock may be under pressure until the FIIs are turning net buyers. This stock will remain in this current level and consolidate, and it will be a buying opportunity whenever the stock is declining, and it's having a good potential in the way forward as their capex for till the financial year 2025, it seems to be amazing. I hope this video is beneficial for you. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. This video is for educational purpose only. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, share to your network and input your comments. Thank you. Stay safe, invested.